Hi guys, how you doing? Today we're going to take a look at the TLSFX Ring Pull Hand Grenade. It's a very simple ring pull mechanism. Once that's pulled very sharply, it ignites the grenade and you've got roughly 5 to 6 seconds to get rid of it. In other words, throw it towards the opposing team. So, won't spend too long talking about this, but I would ask you guys to watch the video to the end and you'll get links to where you can buy these in your neck of the woods. These are available almost worldwide. Okay, watch the video to the end guys, enjoy the explosion.